stop explaining your healing. They were never listening anyway. Let me ask you something. How many times have you tried to explain your healing to people who only ever minimized your pain? How many times have you repeated yourself, hoping one day they'll finally understand? How many long texts, long talks, and broken-hearted moments did it take before you realized they were never listening? This video is a reminder to stop explaining your healing to people who never valued your wounds. You don't owe them an update. You don't owe them access. And let's talk about why. They were confused. That's what they said. They weren't confused. They were committed to misunderstanding you. You may think they just didn't get it. That if you'd explained it differently, you use calmer words, maybe they'll see your side. But here's the truth, like most people avoid. They understood you just fine the first time, they just didn't care. When someone benefits from your silence, they're not going to validate your voice. When someone enjoys you being exhausted, they're not going to support your boundaries. You weren't unclear. They just don't care. Now, explaining your healing to people who hurt you is like asking a thief to guard the door. Oof. Think about it. You're handing your growth to people who trigger your wounds. Like, it's like you're basically saying, please understand why I had to walk away because, you lied to me, you cheated on me, you sneak dissed me, you're passive aggressive. Like, what? Like, why? You're trying to get them to understand why you're walking away. Please get why I'm distant now. It's for this, it's for that. Please know that I didn't change. I just got tired of dimming my light. How does that make sense? How does that make sense? Because you did change. You're telling someone you didn't change, you did change. They were controlling you. Now they're not. And the only way that got stopped was because you changed. Stop lying to yourself and saying that you didn't change. You changed, but it's for the better. You're healing. And it might not look that way because once upon a time you went through some things, but you're getting better. But you're asking the wrong audience, like the wrong people. You're trying to get closure from people who only gave you chaos. Why are you trying to get closure from the same people who love to give you chaos? Because they make it out like you're the drama, you're the problem. You're trying to get compassion from the same people who dismiss your pain every opportunity they get. That's not healing. That's spiritual begging. The people meant for you won't need long explanations of why you're doing what you're doing and why you're doing it. You won't have to beg them to understand your need for peace. You won't have to defend your softness, your boundaries, or your silence. They will feel it. They will see it. They will see you. They will respect your process without taking it personally. They'll like, you know what? Not that long ago, she went through quite a lot. She just needs to take some time, to put her first, to choose you, to choose me. That's how they will know, or that's how you will know who's really for you because the people that are ready for you don't need you to explain to them why you're doing what you're doing. Your healing never needed to be explained. It just needs the right environment to be received. Stop keeping people updated on the journey that they never supported. Some people only want access to the version of you that they can control. The version of you who never says no. The version of you who's always available, last minute. So when you start healing, you stop over-giving, over-functioning, over-apologizing. Yes, they will feel rejected. They will take it personally. And it's not because you've done something wrong, but it's because your growth threatens their comfort zone. That's why they call you selfish, and that's why they say you've changed. Of course you changed. You stopped betraying yourself just to keep the peace. Of course I've changed. We're human. We're meant to change, no? We're meant to grow, no? You don't owe an explanation for protecting your peace. You don't owe an explanation for protecting your peace. You don't owe anyone a detailed breakdown of why you cut contact, why you've taken your energy back. You don't need permission to take up space. You don't have to justify your healing timeline to anybody. Healing is not always a straight line. And it isn't always visible. And it's definitely not a group project. This is just for you. Some parts of your growth are sacred. Not everyone deserves to witness them. Your boundaries are not up for debate. Don't fall for the guilt tripping. Don't fall for the old school photos and the things they've done for them. Because manipulative people use gifts, money, and favors as a way to trap you. A way to trap you into staying with them. A way to trap you to always giving your energy. You're exchanging your energy with peace, your energy for gifts and money and favors. Yeah, we're not doing that over here. Your healing is not a performance. Protect your energy. Not everyone gets a front row seat to your transformation. The version of you who explained everything to everyone, she's tired. She's tired now. Are you not tired of explaining everything to everyone? By the time you explain why you're healing to everyone, you don't have any energy to actually heal. You're just tired. That's your soul asking for silence. From now on, you don't need to prove anything to anyone. If they cared, they would respect your healing. If they truly saw you, they wouldn't need explanations. So let them misunderstand you. Let them gossip. Let them guess. Let them lie. Let them smear. Let them do what they want to do. Let them do what they have to do. Because remember, it's easier to destroy someone than it is to heal your own wounds. It is easier to destroy another person than it is to heal your own issues. You didn't come here to be understood by anyone. You came here to heal, to glow, to become the best version for yourself, for your loved ones, for your babies, for your partner, for your job, for whatever you want. It's for you. So, I've given you a permission slip to stop texting long paragraphs, to stop over explaining your trauma, to stop convincing